Welcome. In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application. From here, choose storage, and then in a drop-down menu, select your SD card. Next, you want to click on the three dots right here in the corner and select Format. This will give you a message. Format SD card for portable storage, stored photos, videos, music, and more, and access to the formatted other device. What? For some reason, it wants to set up this card in some weird way. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. Now it does say format, so it should be fine. And here we have, again, more traditional message that formatting will erase content. So I'm not sure why this is prompting me to do it for portable storage when SD card is portable storage to begin with. So SD card formatted, cool, let's select done. And nothing has changed, it's still named Samsung SD card. But this is the way you would format your SD card. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.